If you want to flip something in Photopea, whether it is a photo, a text box, or a shape, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it. This is a really useful trick when you want to mirror an image, fix the direction of an element, or quickly improve the layout of your design without affecting the rest of your project. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump into it. First, open your project in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your individual elements are listed, so make sure you click the exact layer you want to flip. That could be a photo layer, a text layer, a shape, or any other object in your design. Selecting the correct layer is important because Photopea will only flip the item that is active, not the entire canvas, unless you specifically choose that. Once your layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit. From the drop-down menu, move to Transform. This is where Photopea keeps all of the transformation tools you need for resizing, rotating, and flipping objects. When you open the Transform options, you will see the flip commands available. If you want the layer to mirror from left to right, choose Flip horizontally. This is the best option when you want to reverse the direction of a person, an object, or textile design elements for a better composition. It will swap the layer side to side, almost like looking in a mirror. If you want the layer to turn upside down, choose Flip vertically. This flips the object from top to bottom. It is useful for creating reflections, experimenting with creative layouts, or adjusting an element that needs to be oriented in a different direction. As soon as you click the option you want, Photopea will instantly apply the flip to that selected layer. You can then move the object, resize it, or leave it exactly where it is, if it already fits your design. If the result does not look right, you can always undo it with Ctrl or Command Z and try the other flip direction instead. One quick tip: if you are working with multiple layers, make sure you are not accidentally selecting the wrong one, because that can change the wrong element in your design. Taking a second to confirm your selection can save you a lot of time. So that is how to flip a single layer or object in Photopea. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the transform menu is, you can do it anytime in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Photopea tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.